Happy Sunday, guys. 21st September. The latest ranging period is pretty much over now, so it was the 17th to the 23rd. All the storms now moving offshore into the Tasman Sea. There'll be some scattered storms up through northeast Queensland, but nothing significant. If we look at the rainfall totals that we have occurred to date, we're still average to below average for most of the country outside of Western Australia. So this supports our drying trend that we said would occur, moving into spring. We've seen a lot of the models start to break down in their rainfall outlooks. We'll see the latest model updates for some of these climate models at the start of October. So we've got a little bit to go yet. And I'd expect those to drop off too, like they did in September. The trends are sticking true. So we are drying. A lot of the rainfall that's fallen in the recent few days has been less than forecast. Yeah, and there's not much else to say. We've been saying this would happen for many months, and now it's happening. So we're seeing a lot of professional providers now backtracking on their bullish outlooks, explaining why they think that the rain didn't occur. And it's too late. It's too late to say that. You can't say you can't give an excuse after the fact. You got to try and be right, before it happens. So that's where our service comes in. We try to be right before it happens, and we don't make excuses after the fact. So anyway, make the most of the rain we get. There's a good storm chance again around mid-October. Another good rain chance around November. The dates are shared enough. The problem being between the major rain events being this time of year, there'll be a high evaporation rate. So the rain that falls might be as good as it could have been anyway. So make the most of what you get. Southeastern states plan for drying trend into 2026. That's still on track. And the El Niño is still forecast to form. So everything is lining up with our long-range forecasts. So again, don't buy into these rainfall models. That you should have enough proof now that they're wrong, and expect less rain than's forecast. Anyway, start the date this week, Monday, tomorrow. We will have the latest weekly update, and we'll cover the week ahead, and then we'll start working on our long-range service again. Cheers.